Okay, good evening. The time is 11 p.m. on the 2nd of July, 2021. And there's a bit of sunset down in the valley. Of course, this is ham radio in Alaska. So the sun, is actually setting in the north. The sun rises and sets in the north. So I've got a bit of a beautiful sunset going on here. You can see the river off in the distance. So, why is this important? Why does anyone care? Well, if I want to assemble a TRAM-1481-B at 11:30 p.m., I can. No lighting trickery here. So, I don't know. I'm bored. I'm not going to put this together at 11:30 p.m. But I could if I wanted to. So, looking north again. I get a little jealous of my neighbor seeing the summertime sunset. But that's okay. So there you go. That's sunset, 11:30 p.m. July 2nd. Alright, so it's almost midnight. Let's take a look at the sleepy town of North Pole, Alaska. There they are. And there's the refinery. Oh, here's a rainbow at almost midnight. Oh, would you look at that?